Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is a ballad. Come on, take your time. Come on. Breathe, sustain the note. There you go. Strike a pose. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey! Where did he come from? He's a biter. Get him out of here. Security.
Oh my God, is that you?
Squiddly. They're Simon's dogs.
Put your hands together. Beautiful. Hey, watch your tone. You're not a bass. Get up there. Come on.
For once in my life, I had someone who needs me, someone who did so long.
Brilliant.
Wow. Which dogs of yours was it? Squiddly or
Squiddly, Diddly, and Daisy.
Did you know they were so talented?
No.
You did it so well. I never really seen anything like it.
That was such a funny audition. Right, we've got a vote. Bruno. Yes. Alicia.
I'm saying yes. It's a yes from me.
You, Squiddly, Diddly, and Daisy are through to the next round then. Gotcha, thank you.
Shot, I'm blown away.
That was brilliant.
Well done.
Thank you all.
How funny was that?
Oh, that was really good.
You can take it.